viewers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for installing bumper reinforcement safety struts on a travel trailer or fifth wheel camper. We've been using these for several thousand miles over the last 4 months, and it's held up wonderfully. Before we get started, I'm posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. So some of you may be wondering why you would want to reinforce your bumper. The reason is, if you want to safely be able to carry a load off your bumper, most of them are not designed to carry anything off of it. So if you want to add anything like we've got here to carry our spare tire and our generator rack, you're going to want to make sure that you reinforce your bumper so that you don't lose it while driving down the road. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure to review your application before ordering and read through the instructions before getting started.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project.
Because of where the bracket is, these have spacers on the back holes. I'm just putting them on here to keep it, whoops, while I put the C-clamp on. We'll see how well this works. So I think I'm going to cheat and glue these spacers to the bracket so that I don't have to worry about it sliding down when I use these self-tapping bolts to set, because the hole is considerably smaller. I used the recommended size bit. I believe it was maybe 7/64. Okay, so I shot a little bit of WD-40 in there, just as some cutting lube. See if we can get this a little more drilled out before I sink the self-tapper in.
Thank you for watching this how-to video. Post your questions and comments below. If you enjoy this content and want to see more, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.